How to invite friends to join Zangi. So you are enjoying the Zangi and want to bring your friends into the conversation. It's really simple. Let's walk through it together. First things, open your Zangi app on your phone. You can see my Zangi right over here. Let's tap on it. Now once you're inside the app, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is go to the setting by tapping on setting icon, which is in bottom right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. Then on the setting, you will see an option for invite friends. It's right over here. Simply tap on it. Then you will be given two options right over there. The first one is invite by the SMS. If you want to invite your friends by the SMS or through the SMS, simply tap on the first option, and second option is the share. Let's tap on it. And that will provide you a message with the link. Simply copy it and you can paste it wherever you like, whichever medium that you like. You can share it to the Facebook, you can share it to the Instagram, WhatsApp, and any social media from which you want to invite your friends to the Zangi. To sum up, if you choose SMS, Zangi will probably open your phone messaging app with your pre-written message and link to download the Zangi. You just need to select which friend you want to send it and hit the send. If you choose the share through another app, a list of apps will pop up, or you can just copy the link as I showed you earlier, or simply pick the app you want to use, select your friend and send the invitation, and that's it. Once they tap on the link and install the Zangi, you will see them appear in your contact and can start chatting or calling. Easy peasy, right? So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.